Hey, welcome to Hauser Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to set styles in Photoshop. Open the photo you need in Photoshop. Click on Window at the top menu bar. Choose Styles from the list. Select any style you need from the right side panel. Click on the three lines icon at the Styles panel. Choose Load Styles from the list. Choose the file you need and click on Load. Use your new styles and enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!